You've got a spreadsheet full of data, and now you need to present it to your team or your client. You want to turn all this into beautiful graphs and charts, maybe filter data, and basically have all the features of a kick-ass presentation. I built this entire interactive dashboard with just a little bit of copy-paste using HTML, a bit of JavaScript, some help from ChatGPT, and this awesome charting library called Plotly.js. This kind of setup is perfect for client reports, team presentations, or anything you want to share insights without handing over the actual spreadsheet. Alright, here's what we need to do first. We have to convert our spreadsheet into a format that a web dashboard actually understands, JSON. So open your Excel file, go to File, hit Export, and choose CSV as the format. Now take that CSV and run it through any free CSV or JSON converter online. Just upload it, click Convert, and download the .json file. That's the file we'll be using to build our dashboard. Now here's the important part. Don't paste the whole JSON into ChatGPT. It's way too big and will overwhelm it. Instead, open the .json file in any text editor. Copy just one row, like one full object of data, and paste that into ChatGPT. That's enough for it to understand the structure of your dataset. Then use this prompt. Once ChatGPT sees your data structure, it'll start throwing out smart layout ideas like bar charts to compare sales by country, line graphs to show month-over-month growth, maybe a pie chart to break down product categories. And it'll even suggest filters or grouping options to make the dashboard interactive. Once you're happy with what it suggests, go ahead and ask, cool, now build the full HTML code using Plotly.js. Add a file button upload, include all those charts you mentioned and make it responsive. ChatGPT will then generate a complete HTML plus JavaScript code block ready to use. It will open right in your browser. There is no setup or server required. Hit that upload button, pick your full JSON file, and just like that, your dashboard comes to life. The charts auto-populate, the filters start working, and everything updates in real time based on your data. And the best part, it's all running locally. That means your data never leaves your computer, total privacy and zero risks. Want to make it look nicer? You don't need to dig into code, just talk to ChatGPT like a designer. ChatGPT will spit out the updated code, reload, and you're done. So now you've got a fully interactive web dashboard. No coding, no paid tools, no BS, just you, your spreadsheet, and ChatGPT. It looks clean, works offline, and you can reuse it for any data set. Excel, Google Sheets, even data from tools like Notion or Airtable, done. You've just built a full web-based dashboard without touching a dev tool. In the next method, I'll show you how to build a similar dashboard inside Excel itself using PivotTables, filters, and live formulas so you can collaborate, update data in real time, and work directly in your spreadsheet. Step number 1, prepare the Excel sheet and ask ChatGPT for a plan. Open your Excel file with sales data. This sheet has columns like product, country, sales, profit, year, pretty typical stuff. But instead of trying to figure out what to do with all of this data, we let ChatGPT help. Here's the trick. Copy just the top 10-15 rows of your sheet into a new file. That way, we're not overwhelming ChatGPT and it still understands the structure. Now open ChatGPT and upload the smaller file. Then use this prompt. ChatGPT will analyze the sheet and suggest exactly what to track. Maybe things like total sales by country, profit by product, sales over time, and it will even outline which charts to use and where to put slicers. So we're not starting from scratch, we are following a plan. Step number 2, create pivot tables and charts in Excel. Back in Excel, the first thing you want to do is convert your data set into a table. Just select all the data and press Ctrl+T. Make sure the My Table has headers boxes checked. Now rename that sheet something like sales data so it's easier to reference later. Next, add a new sheet and name it PivotTables. This is where all your backend logic will live. To create your first pivot table, go to the sales data sheet, go to Insert and click on Pivot Table. Choose to place it in the Pivot Tables sheet. From here, drag and drop fields to rows, columns, and values. Once the table is ready, click Chart. Choose something clean like a column or bar chart and style it how you like. Repeat this process for different metrics based on ChatGPT's plan. Basically, each pivot table gets its own chart. Step number 3, add slicers for interactivity. Click on one of your pivot tables, then go to Pivot Table Analyze and click on Insert Slicer. Choose a field like year or country. This will add a clickable filter panel next to your chart. But here's the key. We want that slicer to control all the charts, not just one. So right-click the slicer and select Report Connections. You will see a list of all pivot tables. Just check them all. Now, whenever you change the slicer, every chart updates in sync. Do this for other fields too, product, month, whatever makes sense to your data. Step number 4, design the final dashboard sheet. Once the logic and filters are working, it's time to build the actual dashboard. Create a new sheet and call it Dashboard. Copy over all your charts and slicers from the pivot table sheet and start arranging them visually. Make sure they're aligned, easy to read, and spaced properly. Now for things like total sales or total profit, you can pull live numbers from your pivot tables, add section titles, clean up your fonts, duplicate elements with Ctrl+T, and adjust colors to match your brand or project. In a few minutes, you will have a fully designed dashboard that feels like something out of a business intelligence tool. Step number 5, test the dashboard. Click through all the slicers, try filtering by year, then product, then region. Everything should update instantly. Charts, totals, breakdowns. The beauty of this method is that it's completely dynamic. You can update the raw data in the sales data sheet and the entire dashboard updates automatically. And because it's still Excel, you can share the file, collaborate on it, or use it as a live document in Microsoft Teams or Google Drive. So that's it. You've now built a real-time interactive dashboard inside Excel using nothing but ChatGPT suggestions and a few clicks. I have left downloadable templates for both versions, Excel and HTML, in the pinned comment below. Just make sure to watch both tutorials completely so you understand how to plug your own data into them. That's it. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.